am Anjit Chauhan from the Basic Info. In this video, I will show you how to change Gmail account password. In your browser, type Gmail. Click on first link. Now you have to enter your email ID and password to log in. After login, on the top right corner, you see a gear button. Click on that. Then click on See All Setting. Now you see some options. Click on Account. Here you see an option, Change Password. Click on that. Now you have to verify your account by signing it with your old password. After entering the password, click on Next. Now you have to enter a new password and verify a new password. After entering the password, click on Change Password. This is the last step. Now your password has been changed. Thank you.